Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the ink cartridges on Epson Workforce Pro WF-C5790 model. First I will remove this tray to see better. Open the cover for the cartridges, which is on the bottom of the printer, and here we have the 4 cartridges. Push to open each of the cartridge. Then just take out the old cartridge, place here the new, and push back into its place. Again, push, slide out, take out the cartridge, put the new one, and put back and close the cover. So that's it. Thank you very much. Good luck.